checking in with another banger. I'm about to go clean the engine bay of the Daytona today. It's super filthy, it's dirty. I don't know if it's ever been cleaned. I'm the second owner of this car. I'm about to go clean this engine bay. We go jump straight back into it. I'm gonna see y'all when I get there. I appreciate y'all rocking with me for another video. If you like videos like this, then hit that thumbs up. Make sure y'all subscribe and comment down below. Let me know how I'm doing. If y'all want these bangers to keep coming, then show me some love. If you rock with me, I'm gonna rock with you. Let's jump straight into it. And I just wanted to check back in with y'all real quick. I'm on my way to wash the engine bay right now, and it's pretty exciting for me because I ain't never had a car with the engine bay worth washing, you know what I'm saying? Or like with an engine worth washing, I should say that. I done had all kinds of cars and I done washed them down, you know, I done hosed down the engine bay, but like ask you to go get some degreaser and be trying to wash the engine bay. This car is cool to me, you know, it's fun. So I figured I'll bring y'all along for the ride. I know y'all like to know what I got going on, you know. I bring y'all along with me. If y'all appreciate that and y'all want me to keep bringing y'all vlogs, then hit that like button and make sure that you subscribe to my channel for more content. If you want to support me, then hit that link down below, that SoundCloud. Thumbs up, you know that's always the best support. Subscribe is the best support. I'm gonna have a link down below for my SoundCloud and for my Instagram. So hit me with a follow on both of those. You know that's the best way to support streams to music. You know, show me some love on the gram, I'll show you some love back. If y'all rock with me, I'm gonna rock with y'all. I'm in the whip now, I'm driving. It's not that safe to vlog and drive. So I'm gonna tap back in with y'all. Peace. Hey, what's going on YouTube? I'm up here at the auto parts store right now. It's super sunny. Should turn my hat from backwards to forwards, but it's cool. I'm rocking out like this. I'm about to go grab some engine degreaser real quick, so y'all stay tuned. I'm gonna mask up, health as well. Stay tuned. Get it. This one. Hopefully y'all don't go crazy in the comments, but I'm gonna go with this one. Alright YouTube, so I'm up here at the wash right now. First things first, I'll pop that hood because you don't want to wash it or even wipe down, you know, like with water, with a hot engine, you want it to be cool. If it's hot, when you put that cold water on it, it could crack something. You know, I had to look that up, I ain't know. You know, this is my first time having an engine that I could wash. So, you know, just keep that in mind. If you about to wash your engine bay, then make sure that you pop the hood and don't do it on a hot engine. So in the meantime, I'm gonna vacuum out the car real quick. I'm gonna show y'all the engine bay. Yeah, so the engine ain't that dirty. It might not look that dirty on camera, but to me it's pretty dirty. Like you can see over here, it ain't really been cleaned before. The battery, the cover on it, or like the hookups for it, the fuses, my bad, not the battery, but the hookups for the fuses, everything got a cover on it. So it looked like it'd be cool. I'm gonna cover this up with a t-shirt. I need to pull this thing out and clean it too. That'll be a whole separate video. But I'm not gonna leave water on one direct spot. I'm gonna just, you know, just rush the water over it real quick. I'm not gonna use the high pressure either. I'm gonna just let it come out of the nozzle, you know what I'm saying? I'm not gonna press it down. So yeah, y'all stay tuned. I'm gonna clean all this up right here. It just need to get clean. They just need to get clean. So y'all make sure that y'all let the engine cool down some. You know, it's not hot to the touch right now, so it should be cool. YouTube, so right before I wash this engine bay, I'm gonna actually wash the outside of the car first. So as soon as we get ready for the engine bay, I'm gonna tap back in with y'all. I can't trust nobody, Trapping is my hobby, it's my hobby. RP body, RP body, RP body, bad. Rolling up the gas, rolling up the 30 cents. Damn, I miss my Damn, I wish my boy would've chose a different path. But we gon' meet again, I want the squad to win. My boy in heaven doing shows, he rockin' it. I'm on earth, watch a nigga get turned. I'm on earth, watch a nigga get turned. Trapping is my hobby, it's my hobby. RP body, RP body, RP body. Trapping is my hobby, it's my hobby. RP body, RP body, body bag, ayy. Rollin' up the gas, rollin' the thrax, smoking on the bag. I can't quit, getting the cash. I can't quit, getting the cash. I can't stop, getting that guap. I can't stop, getting that guap. I can't stop, no I can't. RP to me. I'm about to jump into these Limbo Break V6 pictures. It's no joke. It's not about to be quick for me to clean these up the whole time, but after this for sure. Alright, y'all, stay tuned. In the Scatpack, pull up in that cat. Pull up in that Scatpack. Pull up in that cat. Pull up in that Scat. Pull up in that cat. Getting that cash, getting it racks, I can't quit, no, I can't stop. Getting that bag, pull up in that Scatpack. Pull up in that cat, pull up in that Scatpack, pull up. Alright, YouTube, now for the moment that y'all been waiting for. We checking this engine bay real quick. I covered up the intake. But I had it in my truck, just an old t-shirt, just so it can get soaked. I should really be pulling it out and cleaning it, but I'm gonna save that for another video. We're not pulling it through. I'm about to soak this thing down. We're about to get straight into it. Alright, so I'm using this that I picked up from O'Reilly, just engine cleaner and degreaser. I got it on the spray setting, so it'll spray like a mist. So I'm just hit the engine with this real quick. Pull up in the Scat, pull up in that cat, pull up in the Scat, pull up in that cat, pull up in that Scat, pull up in that cat, pull up in that Scat, pull up in that cat. Getting that cash, getting it racks, Alright, YouTube, so I just sprayed down the engine bay. This gunk cleaner right here, it's only $5 from O'Reilly. I'm gonna let it sit on there for a minute, just get it all in dirt on this engine. It's looking a little bit better already. I'm usually just washing it just to wipe it down, give it those finishing touches. So y'all stay tuned. Pull up in the Scat, pull up in that cat, pull up in the Scat, pull up in that cat, pull up in that Scat, pull up in that cat, pull up in that Scat, pull up in that cat. Getting that cash, getting it racks, I can't quit, no, I can't stop. Getting that bag, pull up in that Scatpack, pull up in that cat, pull up in that Scatpack, pull up in that cat, pull up in that Scatpack, running up the racks, yeah. I can't quit, I'm addicted to getting this cash, that bread. I can't quit, to the earth I conquered that. Oh God, bait one on the way to that, to the racks, bait one on the way. I'm not pressing this trigger in, so I'm gonna let the water go. But you see when you press it in, a whole different level of pressure. So I'm not gonna press that in, just for y'all at home who might not understand that. Don't go full-fledged pressure wash on your engine. It wouldn't be the smartest thing to do. So right now I'm just rinsing everything out. I'm gonna focus on this, y'all. Pull a Scatpack, I secure that bag, on my way to the cash, I need the racks, smoking on niggas, how they smoking on the gas, I'm too far from home, I'm gon' blast, on my way to that, So next I'm gonna go in with my detailing mitt and just dry off some of the plastic, that's all. Just dry off some of this plastic with my detailing mitt. My way to the cash, I need the racks, smoking on niggas, how they smoking on the gas, I'm too far from home, I'm gon' blast, on my way to that, can't stop, I want no. our YouTube. We just hit up that engine bay. If y'all like these videos that I'm bringing you, you want me to keep bringing you more bangers, then hit that comment button down below and give me a thumbs up. And subscribe and turn those post notifications on so you can be notified when I bring you more content like this. If you like me and the Daytona, then support. Make sure you follow us on Instagram. Follow me on SoundCloud and subscribe on YouTube. I'm gonna see y'all in the next video. Y'all keep baking up. Y'all stay true. Peace. That bag on my way to the cash. I need the racks, smoking on niggas, how they smoking on the gas,